Welcome. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create pinned window. First, I create pinned window. Look, pinned window equal create ttk dot pinned window p capital and w capital and import window and give it orient. For give it horizontal or vertical, I use horizontal and give it back, and I create frame 1 equal create frame dot frame f capital and import pinned window here and give it width and height. Width equal 100 and height equal, for example, 300 and give it relief equal sunk in, and I create frame 2. Take this copy and paste here, change name to and change width, for example 400 and height 400 and relief sunk in, and I add this frame inside pinned window dot add frame 1 and give it width equal 1 and take this copy, look, copy and paste here and change frame 2 and give it width, for example 4. Now run this code. Look this output. Look this frame 1 and frame 2. Frame 1 weights 100, look this 100 and weights 400. Look this bound window, I create frame 4, give it this distance, weights 100 and weights frame 2, this frame 2 400 and height 400. Look this widget and this frame, look this frame here 400 and 100, this 500. We want to do this frame on all widget. Look, I give it back, for example file equal pause and give it expand equal true, this true. Now run. Look this frame all widget, and we want create frame 3. Take this copy and paste here frame 3 and change weights and height, for example 5, 50 and relief sunk key and bound dot add frame 3. Now run. Look this frame 3 50 weights. Let's forget this frame. Bound window dot forget and import frame 3. Now run. Look this frame 3 hidden. Let's review what we have done in this video. First, I create bound window and give it orientation horizontal for true on horizontal, not vertical, and I give it back for true on all widget, and I create frame. Look this frame 100 and frame 400 to frame and give it white 1 and white 4, and I create frame 3 and forget this for hidden from in this widget. I hope you like this video and see you next one.